we come to CCBEC to introduce you a valuable brand in the world of mini PCs and laptops. Now we have arrived at Ninkear booth, a company that has attracted a lot of attention with creative and affordable products. Now we are at Ninkear booth. I want to ask David, which products are you most excited to showcase at this exhibition?
The most excited at the exhibition is the number one is the S14, and which has AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS, and the most importantly is the weight, about 1 kilogram. It's very lightly.
Very light.
Yeah, and also the resolution is about 2.2K resolution. Second product is the new release product, mini PC. Yeah, which has AMD Ryzen 7 A745HS. It can be more running to some software like the video editing or graphic design. This is my most excited products.
And which countries are your main markets for your products?
I want to introduce two countries main market. The first one is Russia. The Russia, we have the local warehouse, and which has 6 service centers, so it's all easier. We are all easier to solve problems to customer, and easy to deliver the product to Russian customer. The second part is the European. We have the German. We have the local warehouse, and also have one service center in Spain. So it also can be more easy to deliver to customer and to solve problem.
Nice.
Yes.
Thank you for your time. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.